$7, $27, $7, another $7, another $7, another $7, $27, $7, $97, $7. This is in a 24-hour period. And then here's some more stuff. It's $97, $17, $97, $97, and $97. These are daily sales, guys. I got other people doing this too, making $7, $17, $27. Here's another person. This is recent. This is just back in December. As of right now, it's December the 31st. And then again, here's another person. They made $7. Congrats. I mean, it goes on and on and on. There's a lot of ways you can make money online. I chose digital products, and I teach people how to make money online selling digital products. And you can go online and you can purchase somebody $400, $500, $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 course, or you can watch this video and I'll show you how to sell low ticket digital products that you didn't even have to create, but are easily to replicate so that you can start generating some income in your business like as soon as tomorrow. So if you just literally copy me, it's going to be super simple. If you can follow directions, you can make money online. So let's go. Now, this is my digital income starter kit and it's only $27. All right, so you could get started with this, or you can go online and find somebody else who's going to teach you and not really guarantee the results. And that's up to you, and it's perfectly fine. I'm okay with that. But I created this specifically for people who are just starting out, and it doesn't have all this extra stuff in it, just the specifics of what you need. And I made it 7 easy steps. All right, and I tried to make it super affordable. I don't want you to have to pay $500, $1,000+ to learn how to do something. I'm going to leave that link down below the video. All right, so if you're serious, $27 shouldn't be a big deal. It's not going to break the bank. Or you could comment, send me the link, Ronnie, and I'll shoot it over to you if you can't find it in the description. But step 1, you're going to have to activate your website. Listen, you need a website to sell your digital products on. Don't send people straight to some link, all right? Don't do that because people get so easily distracted and people are so scared to spend money online because there's so many scammers out there. So you got to be ahead of the pack and look as much as legit as you possibly can. And the best place that I choose to host your website, because it's free, is System.io. I'm going to leave a link down below this video and you won't have to pay a dime. If you want to upgrade, that's cool too. If not, you don't have to. Let's move on. Now, after you have your website you set up, you got some place to host your digital products so you can send people to actually buy it. You need a product. I show you in the Digital Income Starter Kit the top 3 digital products that I'm actually making money from. Now, in the opening part of this video, I showed you this one so you won't feel like I'm like trying to run game on you and trying to like get you guys to give me money for no reason. I'm actually selling this myself, and it's one of 3 products that I tell people if you're just starting out, this is how you can start generating some income. They're proven to sell, okay? They're already selling. All right, and you can make money too. There's plenty of money in this digital product game, so it's not saturated, none of that stuff. So these are my top 3. This is the one I'm going to be using for this tutorial, okay? So if you want access to this digital product, all you got to do is click the link down below this video once again and take part of my Digital Income Starter Kit, and you can choose any one of these 3 right here, and they're going to make you money, all right, because they're already making other people money. All right, so let's move on to step 3. Before you get to step 3 is basically navigating your website. But when you use the links inside the Digital Income Starter Kit, it's going to automatically import the digital product and the store and all the steps in the entire website all in one click. I want you to understand that so you don't have to build it from scratch. You don't have to deal with any graphics. You ain't going to have to do all this techie stuff. All you have to do is click the button and it's going to get automatically imported into your website in one click. That's it. That's what I love about the Digital Income Starter Kit. If you're new and you're a beginner and you don't know how to do all this tech stuff, I took all the learning curve parts from you. And in step 3, I showed you what you just imported. I'm going to give you an idea of what it's going to look like inside. So just hold on. Let me switch my screen again. So all of this is going to be imported into your account in one click. It's super simple. It takes 1.4 seconds or something like that. But you're going to have this inside your account. Okay, in your website. This is System.io. It's free. You're going to have the sales page, you're going to have an order form, you're going to have an upsell page, and you're going to have a thank you page, which is the last page, okay? But you won't have to build it from scratch. So we just look at this page right here. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to come over here to view funnel step. And this is going to be your page. You can edit it and tweak it if you want, but you don't necessarily have to. I don't really care. Okay, I want to make it as simple as for you as possible. But if you want to rebrand it and change the fonts and the colors, you can do that. But it's done for you to the T. Everything that you need. And we'll go down to the order form. So I'm going to click the order form, click view funnel step. Look at the order form. They'll be able to put their email and first and last name and their payment information, okay? And they'll click this, and the money is going to go into your System.io account. You're going to get the money yourself. You're going to get 100% of the profits. You're not paying me no discounts or anything. And then you don't have to deal with the customers, you guys. On the thank you page right here, I did all that stuff for you. When they land on the thank you page, the system is going to do everything for them. So they're going to watch their videos all by themselves, and you won't have to deal with any customers. So I've taken all that stuff. You don't have to be hands-on to be a coach or be a mentor and be helping these people and teaching these people and answering all their questions. So they're going to be able to watch the videos and all those things themselves. The cool thing about it, you get to pretend to be me, but just make the money as I make without having to be the authoritative figure or the credibility of the coach and the mentor. I just want you to start making money right now as quickly as possible in the easiest way possible. So once you learn what's in your website and how to navigate it, because I break that down in this video in the Digital Income Starter Kit, then I'm going to show you how to start receiving those payments. There's some stuff you have to do in order to start collecting payments. And I made it very simple for you. Comes with the video. And I think this video is less than 3 minutes long. I'm going to show you how to activate your payment processor so that you can collect money, which is a payment processor is basically going to collect the money online and hold it there. And then you can transfer it into your banking account or have it go debited into your debit card, or you can move it into your PayPal. However you like to have your money from your business, it's up to you. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. The next thing you're going to want to do is have a domain. Like I said, you want to look legit. So I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to your website so it can be whateveryoulove.com. So you could tell people to go to whateveryoulove.com to check out the product that you're selling and put in their information so that you would get paid. And you have the payment processor set up so you could transfer the money into your account. Now, I know this, I show you how to do all of this step by step. As you can see, it's only like 5 steps. But here's the good news, you guys. And it's inside the Digital Income Starter Kit. If you don't even want to do this techie stuff right here, I have a team of people and we'll do it for you for free. I stress that. If you don't want to figure out any of this techie stuff, we'll do this whole process for you for free. All right. And it's not a game. I'm going to do it all for you for free. My team is going to do it all for you for free. All right. So you won't even have to do that. They need some simple information from you, of course. All right. But once we get that, we'll take over and let you know when we're done. All right. Then, of course, I'm going to show you how to get some traffic. All right, so after you have your product and your website and your domain and you know what's going on, you're not going to make any money unless you get some traffic. So I give you my lazy man's way to gain 10 to 15 followers a day without showing your face. Because I know a lot of you guys, you want to make the money, but you don't want to show your face. I get it. For whatever your personal reasons are, I get it. Doesn't really matter. I gave you almost 10,000 different videos that have been proven to attract buyers that you can use and post them to your social media account. I break that down in this video, and I give you some even more step-by-step instructions. Once you have all these things in place, you have a product, you have a website, you have a domain, you know how to get traffic. I give you the videos that you can post on social media where you won't have to pay for traffic, and everything that you make online is all profit. Okay, once you have all of those things, this is how you're going to be able to make money online. Now, in addition to getting traffic, I'm also going to show you how to get sales. And that's the last little clue I'm going to show you inside the Digital Income Starter Kit. But if you like a preview of what I'm teaching my students, that's absolutely free. You can watch this video popping up on your screen, and I'll see you there. Stay blessed.